What a cool view around. Seeing the green, dark green leaves, creepers, boughs. I just remember the song written by Shakespeare, the greatest poet of all time. He used the song in his comedy, As You Like It. Under the greenwood tree, who loves to lie with me, and turns his merry note unto the sweet bird's throat. Come hither, come hither, come hither, here shall he see no enemy, only winter and rough weather. It's truly nice, and it makes me remember the beauty of this pause. Makes me remember. It's truly amazing. I love to lie here. When I come close to nature, my imagination, my creativity increases, And everyone should come to nature, especially the parents should inspire their children to spend time with nature so that they can be creative, imaginative. This is very important for their upbringing.